Willa jumped in the water right there and got this. Welcome to day 3, I think, in Alaska. We're doing a Kenai Fjord boat tour. Right there. You park over here in this parking lot. This is one option. And they shuttle you over to the boat dock. So we'll see how it goes. We're on the shuttle. Mommy ran back and got her chapstick. I ran back and got Willow's raincoat just in case. Me and Jed are in this back row. Kind of weird. Eli's sporting his glasses today. Cool, dude. His eyes are just so dry. So dry from probably the juvenile arthritis. Or a good 2-minute drive, he said, to the boat. We're gonna board pretty soon, she said. This is inside. Checked in. This is not cheap, y'all, but we decided we'd splurge one time in Alaska. They do have a coffee bar in here and a gift shop, of course. Let's come out here. There it is. Down that blue ramp, they said. We have been summoned.
This says first blue one on the left. That's what that lady told us.
Okay. We have been summoned to our boat. It's not that one though. I think it might be on the other side.
One looking on the other side.
Yeah. This is called the Glacier Explorer. Ours is kind of a weird name.
What is it?
Iyak.
Hijack.
Yeah.
Hijack.
Here we go. Walking up the boat ramp.
Take your time moving around the boat.
Hello. All right, Willa. Ladies first. Thank you. Ooh. Cool. That's because I'm videoing. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, maybe we should have videoed.
Or South Korea, where they would use it to help generate electricity.
There you go.
Let's come to a halt for now. For drummers, concrete structure with the white canopy, that is the Alaska Sea Life Center. That got built after the 1989 oil spill happened to help do research and rehabilitation on the wildlife that we have out here. If you are hanging around town for a few days, you highly recommend that you pay a visit there. My favorite exhibit there is probably the bird tank, where you can see how the
lunchtime, folks. We get a chicken sandwich, chicken wrap, chips, a granola bar, and a mint. Eli and Jed are gonna get chicken nuggets. Oh, we saw some sea life out here. There's a little otter right there. Pretty far away. There's one in the water here too.
And this one right below us does have a pup with it. And again, those pups that stay in mom's chest for up to the first year.
That's gorgeous. He's just chilling, huh? The eagles up there.
But that's their nest there, and we've actually been seeing this year's eaglet sitting up in the nest there as well. So if you look closely, you might see the eaglet sitting there.
Some whales out there.
Are you sprayed? No.
Don't touch my head.
Get in front of Daddy. Mama, get in front of Daddy. Yeah.
And we thought we weren't going to see whales today. Alright, these whales. So these whales have been doing this for a little more than a week, I think now. Doing something we call cooperative feeding, where they're all working together, which isn't a normal type of behavior.
This looks like
You guys would probably see better if you went to the other side.
Those are orca killer whales here. Lots of sea lions.
Oh, look at the one moving over there. Not moving. Yeah? See him? Yeah, I know. One's moving up the
Another
rock.
salmon just jumped right to our left. So these stellar sea lions are nocturnal, which means they rest or sleep most of the day like this, doing most of their fishing and activities at night. And then again, they have that real interesting way of swimming where they actually fly underneath the water with their wings. A great place to check that out again is at the Alaska Sea Life Center. So with that combination, puffins can dive down as much as about 300 feet. Pretty
Take an O-Team video because they gave us some ginger ale. Me and Truly, we get car sick so easy. And gave us some saltine crackers. Oh, it's just miserable out here. Like, the swells or waves are massive. Oh, and it's so cold outside. You can't be out there for more than a minute. They said to come down to the lower deck, and it's definitely not as bouncy. Check out the ice. Those are chunks of ice out here. Wow, that's a glacier, everybody. That is incredible. Look at that. Those are arbor seals out there.
Oh, I'm crazy.
Everywhere. Willow jumped in the water right there and got this. Just kidding. That is a chunk of ice though. Willow, don't put it on your mouth. Touching everybody's hands, maybe. Give it to her. Okay, give it to her. Thank you.
These guys can get as large as about 4 to 5 feet in length. Males can weigh as much as 80, 90 pounds. These guys have virtually no fat or blubber on them. Instead, they have two other ways that they use to keep themselves warm. One is that they have a very fine coat of fur, anywhere from about 500,000 million years just per square inch.
Well, thanks for joining us on this episode of O-Team Family Adventures. That was a lot of fun. I think the best part, though, was probably the chocolate chip cookie at the end. Wow, the glacier was pretty cool, too. That was fun. Did you have fun, Jet?